For 50 years, Universal Studios Hollywood has brought you through the silver screen, where possibilities are only limited by your imagination, letting you walk inside worlds you've only dared to dream. Experiencing firsthand behind-the-scenes movie magic. As your favorite movies and TV shows come to life. To faraway lands, on thrilling adventures, to dizzying heights, and we're just getting started. So join us, climb aboard, and be part of our legacy. Celebrating 50 years, Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of